I experienced pain, or started to experience more pain, when I was training for the Monumental Marathon here in Indianapolis. I knew that there was some kind of a problem with my hip to start with, but I'd always sort of put it off. And so at that point, I wanted to explore, was this good or bad, because I didn't want to have it get worse by walking. I happened to have met Dr. Penrose, who was my surgeon, at church, and then when I had my hip issue, I contacted him and said, "Hey, I want to come see you sometime." He said he pulled out his phone, and we made an appointment right there in church. What stood out the most to me about Dr. Penrose when I first met him was his compassion, his care, his thoroughness, and then most impressive was he took time to pray with me. In terms of praying for the surgery, praying for all the people. I don't think he left anybody out in the room, and it was just very comforting. I was hoping to get back after surgery and doing the things that I really love to do. I love to travel with my wife, and that requires a lot of walking. I like to do woodworking, and so this requires bending down, picking things up. And I recently went fly fishing down in North Carolina, about 3.5 months after surgery, and wading in a river that was rocky, and did well. So just getting back to the things that I like, and an active, healthy lifestyle.